All right, moving on to surface overflow rate. The formula for this is pretty straightforward, and it's actually given in the problem. You're calculating gallons per day per square foot. So your answer is going to be gallons per day divided by the surface area of the tank. And of course, that's always going to be in square feet. This is an important concept in wastewater because in a clarifier, be it a round clarifier where the flow enters in the center of the tank and radiates to the outside, or a rectangular clarifier where the flow enters at one end and then flows to the other, you want to give enough time for solid particles to sink. That's kind of the whole point of clarification, is that we get the solid material to sink to the bottom and create a sludge layer that we can remove from this settled wastewater, and then the clear water flows over the top. So in order to do that, you need to have enough surface area. The tank has to be big enough to allow enough time, depending on how much water is flowing into the tank, for that settling to take place. So all these problems are pretty much the same, and they should be pretty easy. But let's go ahead and work through this one real quick. So gallons per day per square foot. You see we're given gallons per day right here, 3.5 mgd. So our gallons per day is 3,500,000 gallons per day. So all we need to do is calculate surface area in square feet. And of course, that is using my favorite formula, pi times the radius squared. So 70 feet in diameter means 35-foot radius. So pi times radius squared is 3,846.5 square feet. So 3,846.5 square feet. We do one more division problem. And we get 909.9 gallons per day per square foot. So our next example is going to be surface overflow rate, and that's actually going to be gallons per day per foot of weirs. So when you see these problems, if you're looking at a problem and can't remember surface overflow rate versus weir overflow rate, they always tell you how to set the problem up by how they want the answer formatted. Gallons per day per square foot for surface overflow rate.